So we're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things. And that brought me over to the LawnMaster booth. And gang, right there in the middle, no pull when it comes to trimmers here. I've got Brent. Brent, tell me more about this, the ability to be able to start my trimmer without having to, oh my gosh, this is cool.
Gotcha. Yeah, basically it's push button technology the same way that they're working with cars and all of that stuff now. So we've incorporated a 7.2 volt lithium ion battery that has nothing to do with the operation of it. That's simply the starting. So no more pull starts, throwing out your shoulder, dealing with the hassle of that. It's just push button technology for gas motors.
Now, does that add any weight to the unit? Does it make it much heavier?
It's less than a pound, but on the trade-off for saving your shoulders for an entire summer, I mean, it's nothing that's going to weigh you down extra.
What size engines do you have on the different trimmers? I see it looks like...
Yeah, on these we've got, they're mainly 26cc engines. We've got a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke. The 4-stroke's coming a little bit down the road. We've just got a test model here. It's that one on the left. And around the other side, we've actually got some backpack blowers, blowers.
And those are all in the same technology?
In the no-pull technology.
So now, let's talk about the batteries we're walking here.
Right.
How do we, okay, so we put the battery in now. Is it rechargeable? Tell me about that.
It is. And it's this guy here, just a little small 7.2 volt lithium ion. It'll get about 250 starts out of a single charge. So basically charge it in the springtime and maybe charge it again in the fall. I don't know how,
Yeah, for sure.
It's super cool that way where you're not, it's not a hindrance at all. It's just an added benefit. We've got the backpack blower here, super lightweight. We've got the regular blower, just the handheld blower where the battery just slides in right there. And we can show you a little bit more. Basically, we can't start them up in here because they are gas powered, but it's just flipping that up. And on this one, it's just pushing a button. It's just pushing a button, so it'll be the battery will be in there, and that starts the whole thing. You can prime it here, but I mean, as far as operation goes, pretty much the same way as a standard blower, just with the added benefit of that push button start.
So now, can the same battery work in the blower and in the trimmer?
Yes, interchangeable, so 250 starts no matter which one it's in. So if you're going out there and you're trimming and then you want to blow the driveway off or whatever, pop the battery out. Each one will come with an individual battery, but if for whatever reason maybe one gets lost or what it may be, it'll fit in everything. We've got a split shaft and a straight shaft. So the split shaft trimmer, which is around the other side that we just saw, that will accept a number of
attachments.
Yeah, universal attachments, so a brush cutter or a hedge trimmer or whatever it may be that'll fit there.
Brandon, people want to find out more information about the LawnMaster product. Where can they go to check them out?
Right now, they can go to nopull.com. We've got a test site there, and then we're working on updating our overall LawnMaster site right now. So LawnMaster.com or nopull.com will give you a little bit more information there.
We'll put those links in the description below so you guys can go check them out. We're at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.